Hey everyone, it's Leon. Today I got me a Beats Studio 3. Yeah, in the house, Beats Studio 3. The first one that I ever owned was Beats Studio 1. And then I transitioned over to Beats Pro right here, which I still have. As you can see, a lot of wear and tear on this headband right here. It even says Beats by Dre on the headband right there. A lot of celebrities worn these headphones, and so that's what makes Beats Studio so popular. The one thing I did not like about the old Beats Studio 1 was the noise cancellation. It didn't work very well at all. Compared to like Bose and Sony, it was like bottom. It did not work very well at all. So today I'm excited to test this thing out to see if it has improved at all. So the one thing that I want to do today is actually show you guys as well, or let you listen to it, to let you determine if this is good noise cancellation or not. I have a little contraption that I'll pull out, and so we're gonna take a look at it together, and we're gonna hear it together, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's do it. Voila. Change the way you hear sound. Very nice, okay. And here we go. The classic case, they haven't changed this at all. Actually, the headphone design, they haven't changed it since Beats Studio 1 at all, the design on it. Voila. By the way, I got the matte black, which is like a black on black. Usually the logo, they would change the color on that. But this one right here is black, and then the entire headphone is also black as well. So if you're looking for minimalistic, this color is what you would want to get right here. Yeah, pretty much they have not changed the Beats Studio at all in terms of design. So if you used to own a Beats Studio 1, it's pretty much the same, guys. This right here is still the classic. They have not changed that either. Still look good. I mean, there's this one right here that says Studio 3 right there, and then over here it says wireless. The top says Beats rather than Beats by Dr. Dre. So this bottom right here feels a little bit like a pleather type of material, but on top it's hard plastic. So on the left hand side of the headphones is a button. On the right hand side, it doesn't do anything. It just looks like a button, but it's not. This middle one right here is a pause and play button. If you press it twice, double tap like that, it's gonna skip a track. And then the outer ring right here is a volume button. So you can press it up and down right here, and that will change the volume. On the bottom, you can plug in a 3.5 millimeter, which it does come with, so that you can plug it in here if you still have devices that uses that. But other than that, it's totally wireless. I am a little disappointed that they have not done anything about the micro USB slot, mainly because it's not that it's a bad technology. It's just that it's so flimsy that it can break really easily. A lot of the headphones that have micro USB, usually over time, like a couple of years, it starts to not charge anymore because this port right here is really flimsy. So I would watch out for that for sure. Other than that, guys, yeah, pretty much you got a power button that turns it on, but that's about it. Noise cancellation button as well. Yeah. Other than that, and also the power button, they have not changed much about this. Obviously, because it's such a unique design that I don't think they want to mess with it at all. The headphone is tighter than most headphones that I have worn. For instance, like the Sony XM5, it's a little bit more lighter and looser. It's not heavy though. It holds on your head a little bit more. Essentially what that means is that if you wear one of these and you go running or to the gym or something like that, it'll actually hold on to your head. It won't fall off. But with other headphones like, let's say the Bose QC45, that one right there definitely would fall off your head if you were to go running with it, because the fit is a bit looser than the Beats right here. So maybe that's the reason why I keep seeing people wearing the Beats at the gym. Anyhow, let's go ahead and test this thing out. Let you listen to how good noise cancellation is and how good the sound is. So let's do it. All right, guys, so I have this little contraption on. You should be able to hear kind of like a 3D sound, left and right. Recommend that you use a headphones for this so that you can kind of get a true experience. All right, so let's go ahead and try it. All right, so right now you're listening to exactly what having a Beats headphone on your head is like. Hey guys, so right now listening to some airplane noise that I heard on in the background. It's pretty loud right now actually. This is no noise cancellation at all. Now I'm going to turn on noise cancellation. Noise cancellation off. Noise cancellation on. Okay, so now with noise cancellation on, I want to play a little music. All right, so guys, there you have it right there. That's the little test for the noise cancellation, the music on the Beats headphones. That track right there has a lot of bass to it, and I can definitely feel it even with these things plugged in my ears. Hopefully it didn't blow out your ears, but I hope you guys find that useful. That's noise cancellation right there. I feel like it's not as good, the noise cancellation, as some of the other ones like the Sonys or the Bose or something like that. It's not as good. The bass and the music though, I definitely do feel the difference between this and my old studio, which it's been years. So that's kind of what I remembered. Anyhow, I hope you guys find it useful. And good luck on your purchase. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.